Hi everyone, my name is Jose Camilo Torres Domingue. I'm 23 years old. I am from Cartagena. So I would like to share you my experience in my travel to San Andres Island and Providence. So I could visit different tourist places in San Andres Island like the Blowing Hole, Johnny Cay, that is another island near San Andres from 1 mile. So I often went to the beach and take a shower in the beach and swimming with other friends um, and my girlfriend. So I went to the hotel. I often wake up in the early in the morning, so take my breakfast and go to the swimming pool. So I visited other places like the Morgan Cove, that is a very tourist places in Providence Island. Uh, I went for typical food in San Andres Island, like the random food, the plate. So it was very delicious. So and I visited uh, other places like nightclub, um, very famous campus of music. That's it. See you soon.